Categorising angles, grade G. What we're going to do is I'm going to put up here 5 or 6 angles, and I want you to describe, or beg your pardon, write down whether they are acute, reflex, right angled, straight line, obtuse, or full turn. If you're unsure about those terms, and if you look at our earlier show, you get reminded of the definition of those words. So let's just remind ourselves, I'll just write down the words in order of size. So if we write this down again, the secret of learning, listeners, is repetition. So, if you are out there in internet land, okay, and you're trying to revise or learn this particular topic, get a pen and paper handy and write down these words. Maths is a doing subject, as I've said before. Right. Just give you an example. Question 1. Let's look at this angle here. Angle formed by the junction of 2 lines. Now, how we describe that? Well, this is how our thought processes should be working. Imagine a right angle. The angle we're looking at is greater than that, but it's less than a full turn. I beg your pardon, less than a straight line. So therefore, it's the one in between right angle and straight line. It is an obtuse angle. Question 2. Could you draw this angle here? And we're interested in that angle. Now let's have a look. Again, your mind should be thinking this way. A straight line, 180 degrees, would be there. This is greater than 180 degrees. So it is a reflex angle. Stuff you should probably have covered in primary school or in your first years at secondary. Right, I'm going to put 3 or 4 more angles up here. I want you to describe what sort of angle it is. Question that comes up fairly regularly at the beginning of the foundation paper. Daisy. Must be consistent. Right. Okay, I'm going to put the answers up in a minute on my recording. So if you're out there in internet land, okay, press the pause button whilst you answer these. Right, question 3. Cynthia, what have you got for that? Acute, okay, or if you live in East Anglia, sorry, you would call it acute. Now, this angle here, Gaza.
Straight line.
No, it's
right angle.
A right angle. Good. Now, Bobby at the back. You got thought? A straight line. Good. And finally, Tommy, what have you got for angle 6? No, it's not a reflex angle, you silly boy. Reflex is greater than 180 degrees. 180 degrees, that's how you should be thinking, would be this angle here. So it's not, actually it has to be greater than that. That would be a straight line. So it's less than a straight line, my mistake. So what type, Sarah, have you got an answer for that?
No.
Pardon? No, you don't. Kevin, put us out of our misery. Obtuse. When I was at school, if you look, acute is sharp. Obtuse is blunt or dull. When I was at school, the teachers used to say, stop being obtuse, which meant dull. Or basically thick. Okay, anyway, internet listeners, okay, I hope you enjoyed that one. Look forward to the next show.